Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to draw on a photo on iPhone. Okay, first things first, open the Photos app on your iPhone, select the photo you want to draw on, and tap the edit button in the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap the icon that looks like a pencil at the top right to enter the markup mode. You'll then see a various drawing tools at the bottom of the screen, such as pens, highlighters, and pencils. Choose the one you want to use by tapping on it. You can also adjust the width, opacity of the drawing tool to your preference by sliding the corresponding sliders. Also, you can also change the color of your drawing by tapping the color wheel icon at the bottom right and selecting a color. Now, just simply draw on the photo by using your finger or stylus if you have. You can create doodles, write text, highlight areas, or anything else you like. After you have finished drawing, tap Done in the top right corner. Confirm that you want to save your changes by tapping Done again. And your drawing on a photo will now be saved. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now draw on a photo on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.